Good evening. This is the HTML center element tutorial from Godbrain Games. I am Wale. Let's start. So how we're going to tackle this is first we're going to center individual elements inside of the body. These are all different elements, and then different combos of these elements inside of the body to see if the centered element can handle that. Then we'll center whole sections, and that's pretty much it. It's an easy one. The only biggest thing to worry about with this is it actually does have two tags on it, so an opening and closing tag on it. Because I know from the previous tutorial, the lines here, these are single tags, so center is actually two. But all right, let's start. So naturally on the left. All right, well, first easier. So this is our body here. It starts right here. I'll always use colors, whatever. We're gonna do a million tutorials. It's not gonna be black and white. And it's the end body tag right here. So this is our whole body. And then, so naturally on the left right now, that's not centered. Let's give it a minute. That's not centered, obviously, because it's not in the center tag. It's funny, I didn't even use any of the testing material, but whatever. So naturally on the left is now centered because it's under the center tag. And that's heading 2. And so you see the two headings will work and it won't break the center tag. And all these materials, I was going to put them in one by one to show you that they all work, but I guess I can still do that. But at least remember that all these combos can all go together, because you're going to have a whole bunch of data, I assume, and some combos will break it, and some, like with some techniques and elements, but center seems to be a strong one, so should be good. All right, so we had everything in there, but to see if P's work, just because I want to make sure. Bam, test element 0. Just I guess while we have time, yeah, the big thing I just want you to know, like, the extent of whatever element we're testing. I'll usually try and break, like in the video. Just I don't want you to go somewhere and try it and it just not work because of that one weird crazy situation or whatever. Nah. All right, so H3 works as well. All right, sorry about that. Naturally on the left, I can clean that up. All right, so nothing's centered right now because this is the center, and those lines just aren't helping me at all. So there we go. Well, all right, I guess I should have kept it, but it's not a problem. Everything that we're gonna center, only thing left to test is, I guess, the H2, but we already saw that. So we already know everything in our group can be centered. So let's just try and center a whole section. Because normally, I mean, if it's like a post or a story, or even, I guess that's how every single app that you use, when you post and it centers your content or whatever, this is the same feature. It just happens to be with HTML, so it's no big deal, really. All right, so this is a test of our whole body. We're gonna try and center the whole body, and I'll clean that up. because all these spaces make it harder to read. Yep. Now the whole body is centered. I don't know why all this. Normally I would never put my whatever headings, my headings not in the header, but yeah, you see that you could center the entire body like that, and I'll remove it one time. So this is all in the middle. If I take off the center tags, everything's on the left, and let's see. That's pretty much it. I guess we can try and break it because the title here, the center element, it doesn't show up on the screen, but let's see if that's a problem for the center feature. I doubt it because your header is going to have something in it. So yeah, I just ran it. It didn't break, so you should be good on that. And to show you that I pressed it, I'll just, I don't know, I'll remove all that. Alright, so you know it works. And then we're going to try and, last thing we're going to do, I'll let you go center the header. Header is centered, and you know this. It didn't break or anything. Let's see. See if that works. Boom. So you can center that as well. And that's the center element. More coming sometime. All right. Like and subscribe. Thank you for stopping by.